Experience the surging power of an engine in a fighter jet. Patented Lansam motor, AKM. Aerospace technology architecture, double layer heater, and 3D hair duct noise reduction system shell. Created the Lansam hair dryer. Built-in intelligent temperature control processor, real-time monitoring of air temperature 58 times per second. Effectively avoid overheating damage. 360 degrees surround air inlet. With patented 120,000 RPM Lansam motor. A strong airflow of 60 meters per second is ejected. Achieve fast dry. Built-in negative ion generator. Tenths of thousands of water negative ions penetrate into the hair core. Smoothes the cuticles. Care for hair to regain shine and smoothness. Lansam hair dryer, equipped with a variety of magnetic suction nozzles, easily meet various hairstyle needs. Lansam Fighter with hair dryer.